Yeah, so I've noticed that the audio. That's kind of disappointing. I thought we were actually going to drop some shorts here, and it was going to come down a bit more. And then we'd have that classic dip and rip type of pattern. Yeah, fuck, it just pushed up there for no friggin' reason there. That was a 13% candle. I kind of wanted this to kind of stay below VWAP, and then that would be a lot nicer situation for the open. And we're at 9:23 a.m. So we got 7 minutes to the open. That's disappointing. So there's your daily candle chart. It's pretty kind of self-explanatory there, right? These are not investments. You are to trade, and the job is to take profits. There are our targets. We're right on top of them. We're right on top of some of them. We have to go another 100% if we want to get to the actual target. Interesting how we're turning around on these targets. Here's our news. It's this is Yahoo Finance. It is a forklift, an electric, or not a forklift, a front end loader. Front end loader boasts a rapid 2-hour charge with 9 hours of operating time on a single charge. Come on. Obviously none of you guys drive front end loaders and understand that a 2-hour charge and it operates for 9 hours. You know how much diesel power that takes? The batteries, you gotta be fucking kidding me. 141 kilowatt lithium battery. Yeah, we'll see what happens on day 7. And it's cold and it's whatever. Yeah, come on. Here's the company website. By the way, it's out of China. Not that we were discriminating, but I mean, it's out of China. So, guys, I don't know if it's going to work here. Here's the press release. Looks like a duplicate. Yeah, it looks like a duplicate. Same kind of stuff, right? Here's in China, in the United States, Greenland. And then we got this painful reminder of what's this one? This one's called LGVN or something like that. That's the one that we had yesterday. LGVN. I am friggin' floored here, man. The levels that it put in were amazing. And look at it again. It's still putting in levels. So if this comes around, we're going to have to trade it with the proper levels. But I mean, I think GTEC might be, I don't know. I got disappointed there. So, and there's our market open. Lots of volume here, man. Wow. Here, that's the close of that 1 minute right there. Holy moly, that was a lot of volume. That was like 2.5 million shares on the open. Wow. At like $9. That's, wow. Yeah, like that's only like 2.5 times 9. That's like a lot. 16 million, 20 some odd $1 million right there. Wow. Let's get a little closer up here, see if we can catch something. If it breaks 950, you know, like I can't play this kind of stuff. It's a little too, you're going to lose money is what's going to happen. Like, that's what it feels like. What are the odds that you're going to win on this? I would rather sit out than play those odds, to be honest with you. Some of it doesn't work for me. It's, I don't know. It's a hard game, man. And if you've lost enough times, like some of us have, you're going to start to learn, like, yeah, you could have caught that pop, but what's going to happen after this? It's hard to know, right? Like, it's an electric front end loader, man. Like, it's not, I don't know, it's not that big a deal. The EV sector is going nuts here for, it's really hard to know if it's actually going to make that target there of 11 60s, and then all these other targets, right? Kenny's target is up there at 15, but I'm the market goes, it's harder for disciplined traders to make money on runners. It's funny. I'm trained to make just daily percent gains and not chase these big winners and shoot for home runs, and that's part of the problem. When a home run comes, it makes you feel fucking shitty. Yeah, it makes you feel shitty that you missed out yesterday, right? So everybody's like trying to get in because they're like, well, we don't want to miss out on today's run, so we just want to pump it up, right? But realistically, it's not. This game isn't played like that. Yeah, now the LGVN or whatever is halted. I can pop over to it quickly if you'd like to see the halt. Boom. See? Halted. 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 Yeah, like potentially you could take the break of 980 and think that you're in a trade. I don't know. It's gonna work probably. We got a bunch of freaking idiots trying to push this thing around. There it is. I actually had to walk away. I can't do it. But looky what we found here. It actually dumped. And lo and behold. And then we got the LGVN. Same freaking thing. Dumped. So, I guess what I'm saying is that a chasing ain't good for you. On closer review, it was actually even halted here on the way down GTEC. So, yeah, so I just measured it, and like we were suggesting that we were going to take the 950 break, remember? That's 949. But look I am so pleased with the way the patience and sitting on your hands for only 5%. You would never have been able to shake this, man. You would have been losing money. I am pretty pleased with the patience there, and the fact that you sat on your hands. I am happy with that play. You see, now we might get a trade. So, like, subscribe, share, leave some comments. You might get a trade here. I would like to see it get above VWAP and come back and hold support on VWAP, and then we can take another trade. I could draw it here for you yeah, so we'll draw it here for you in real time. I'd like to see it come up above VWAP, break down, kind of hold on VWAP, and then we're going to go, hopefully right to like there, and then everybody can have their way with it, right? And we're going to take it. We would want to take that. I should probably change that to a red line. And we want to take that. We want to take it right here again. See how it, you know what I mean? That's where we're going to take the trade. Go here, go here. That's kind of where we want to focus on. If that works, then this is a great play, right? Like, this is a great play. Will it work? I don't know. So halted. Yeah, it kind of came up into that VWAP, and then it just friggin' rocketed there. That was kind of, I don't know. Things are getting a bit bonkers here. The market is definitely starting to heat up. I guess we're November 19. We'll see what happens coming into this holiday season here. We've got like a whole month. Wow, if this keeps up, you better get your shit together, because you have to be ready for when the opportunity presents itself. So that means being prepared. That means having everything together. That means getting your broker set up. That means having your account funded. That means having everything is ready to go. So when the market heats up, you can actually take advantage of it. If you're new to trading, I would suggest you sit out more than anything. Pay attention. And when it warms up and when it gets right, that's when you can take your opportunities. But you can't take your opportunities if you're not ready for them and you're not prepared. So wow, it ran up and then boom, it runs back down like a massacre here. 11.5% drawdown. And now it's halted. That's fucking brilliant. You can't make this stuff up, man. You stay out of it, man. It's so difficult. You know what? It's real easy to lose money. Yeah, it doesn't look like it's going to work here. So like, subscribe, share, ring the notification bell, leave some comments. We typically give out